Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. National Credit Care, a comprehensive overview. National Credit Care, NCC, presents itself as a credit repair firm dedicated to assisting individuals in enhancing their credit scores. Their website, nationalcreditcare.com, outlines the services they provide, which typically involve disputing inaccuracies and negative items on credit reports. They emphasize the importance of a healthy credit score for obtaining loans, securing favorable interest rates, and even impacting employment opportunities. NCC claims to leverage its expertise to identify potentially questionable items on credit reports, such as late payments, collections, and charge-offs, and then works to challenge these items with the credit bureaus. Their stated goal is to help clients achieve a more accurate and positive credit profile. The website further details the typical process involved in credit repair, often highlighting the complexities of navigating credit reporting regulations and the potential time commitment required. They often suggest that individuals may struggle to manage this process independently, positioning NCC as a helpful resource to alleviate the burden and stress associated with credit repair. NCC generally promotes a step-by-step approach, often involving an initial consultation to assess the client's credit situation, followed by the development of a personalized strategy. The company frequently emphasizes the importance of ongoing monitoring and communication throughout the credit repair process. Visitors to the National Credit Care website are typically encouraged to contact the company for a free consultation. This consultation is usually presented as an opportunity to discuss individual credit concerns and learn more about the potential benefits of utilizing NCC services. The website may include testimonials or success stories from previous clients, aiming to build trust and demonstrate the effectiveness of their services. NCC's online presence also frequently emphasizes the legal and ethical aspects of their practices, assuring potential clients that their methods comply with industry regulations. They also often provide educational resources, such as articles or FAQs, designed to inform visitors about credit scoring, credit reports, and the credit repair process in general. Finally, the website typically includes clear contact information and potentially a secure online portal for existing clients to access their account information and track their progress.